Thigh workout routine for toned legs. Here's a comprehensive thigh exercise routine that targets various muscles in the thighs, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and adductors. Remember to warm up before starting any exercise routine and consult a fitness professional or medical expert if you have any underlying health concerns. Number 1. Squats. Targets: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up, back straight, and core engaged. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as your flexibility allows, or until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 12, 15 reps. Number 2. Leg. Press, targets, quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. Use a leg press machine at the gym or resistance bands at home. Sit down and place your feet on the platform about shoulder-width apart. Push the platform away by extending your knees, then slowly lower it back down. Perform 4 sets of 10, 12 reps. Number 3. Romanian deadlifts. Targets, hamstrings, glutes, lower back. Hold a barbell or dumbbells in front of your thighs. Hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight and knees slightly bent. Lower the weights as far as your flexibility allows while maintaining a straight back. Return to the starting position by engaging your hamstrings and glutes. Perform 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. Number 4. Barbell squats. Number 4. Barbell squats. Targets: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. Place a barbell on your upper back and shoulders. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Squat down by bending your knees and hips, keeping your chest up. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to stand back up. Perform 4 sets of 8, 10 reps. Number 5. Hamstring curls, machine or stability ball. Targets: hamstrings. Use a hamstring curl machine at the gym or perform the exercise using a stability ball at home. Lie face down on the machine or place your heels on the stability ball. Curl your heels toward your glutes by bending your knees. Slowly lower your legs back to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. Remember to maintain proper form throughout each exercise and adjust the weight or resistance to suit your fitness level. Consistency is key, so aim to perform this thigh exercise routine 2, 3 times per week and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with the exercises. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.